Are you ready to count? With sparkle and fun, let's shine, twinkle and play with numbers one by one. Watch them bounce, glow and sing. Come along, let's do our sparkly counting thing. Here we go! Here comes number one, shining like the sun. One little monkey swinging in a tree, wiggled his tail and giggled with glee. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, he had so much fun. Here comes his buddy, now there are two on the run. Number two is here, with sparkles far the run. Number two is here, with sparkles far and near. You were to race here, with sparkles far and near. Two silly ducks splashing in the rain, quacking and dancing down the candy lane. Three little duckies go quack, quack, wee! Now it's time for four, twinkling more and more. Four bright balloons flying in the sky, red, blue, yellow, and one zooms by. Say hello to five, jumping in with a dive. Five giggles pop, oops, there they go, floating and laughing in a rainbow show. Six fast cars, nuns on the track, fumes so like a magic track. Vroom, 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 they won't look back. Vroom, 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 fly to heaven. Up fly seven, flying high to heaven. Then comes seven, a shiny blue bus, honking long, beep, beep, follow us. Here comes number eight, spinning like a plate. Eight brave cats go chasing a mouse, tiptoe, tiptoe through the tiny house. Number nine is fine, sparkling in a line. Nine little stars twinkle up high, winking at the moon in the nighttime sky. Now comes 10, let's count again light, again and again. Hey. Now comes 10 with a trumpet so loud, ta-da goes the band and the cheer so proud. One, one, two, three, three.